Okay, welcome in, you trader nerds. Good to have that weekend out of our way so that you and I can come together and do what you and I do best, and that is trade. Let's start off with the big green monster. Ladies and gentlemen, look, we're getting almost to what you call a double top on the 30-minute, which means what? I don't know. Doesn't that mean you're normally going to go down? So if I had to guess, like we're going here, but there's really good pull, gravitational pull. There is such a thing as gravity that pulls us down here. So I got 5 arrows going down this way, 1 arrow going this way. So if I had to guess this week, it's going to be, a little bit sideways to a pull to the downside, even though we are going to 45.82. It is just a matter of time. Now, let's look at our expected move for the week. See what we did last week. Remember, you'll have weeks where you'll go outside the expected move and you'll go inside the expected move. And last week, ladies and gentlemen, was a big upside to the expected move. We went far outside the expected move last week. This week, we were pretty much contained. We were pretty much contained here. So what does that mean for this week? I don't know. Probably an inside week. We'll see. So it's hard to say there, but that's what we think. Let's look at our moving averages. Let's first go to the daily 200-day moving average. We are clearly above. We are bullish on that. Let's look at the weekly chart. The weekly looks like the 10 versus the 20 moving average. The 10 is still increasing its lead over the 20. So that means we continue to be in a bullish pattern. And then we'll finally go out to the monthly chart, the 10-month moving average, and we are well above that and increasing. We are bullish, 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 bullish until we ain't. That is further confirmed by the linear regression channel. Linear regression shows that we're in clear up channel. We're above all the moving averages. The 50% line here on the midpoint of the linear regression is support until it ain't. So still bullish. It's the only way to look at it. Let's look at our count over here with Tasty Trade. We have a 99% probability of profit. We are at 39,124. Y'all, it is nothing but green this way, and it's more green this way, and then the valley of death, where I shall feel no evil, for thine is my, y'all know what I'm saying. So we're at 39,124. So let's go put that in our pipe and smoke it. 39,124. That's weekend Theta Decay, my friends. Fire at the band, Rico. 81 is our deltas, 49 is our theta. Now, for those of you that are new, what does that mean? 81 means this is the equivalent of us holding a portfolio that has 81 shares of SPY. Okay, that's all that is. What is theta? Theta is the amount of money I should make per day based on the premium that I have sold. I should make $49 per day. Over the weekend, you and I made $123. Rocka. Theta decay is not linear, but we make what we make. Okay. Now, VIX is again at 13, so that's fine. And our buying power that we use is nothing more than the collateral that the broker requires us to put up in order to hold our trades. So they're saying that I have 97.48 in, oh, my son's playing his trumpet. I gave him my trumpet. It's a Doc Severinsen bel canto that I got like in 1990, and it's a very expensive trumpet, but he's a master with it. So he's in junior high. Okay, so I gave it to him. Got to pass things on to our kids because we can't take them with us to the great beyond. So we're using 25% buying power. We are at 0.13%. We should be a max to theta, but remember, I'm pushing this account as much as I can. I've not been really fortunate with that because it's very apparent that I am, I got trades on I don't need to hold. So we've got, I did get rid of all my ES trades. So we just have 112s now and a couple of hedges now that I put on while I was on vacation. All right, so what do? Well, since I'm pushing it, let's put on more trades. And I know what some of you say, Bobby, you don't put trades on up days. Yeah, you do. You let your account speak to you. Remember, in this account, I'm trying to get up to about 50% buying power. And I just keep putting on trades every day. And, it's working out pretty good. So we'll go to trade. We'll go to the macros. And where we're going to go to the table. And with it being up, we can probably go to this. We're probably going to have to go to 95 days to get any premium. And what we've been doing is kind of what Victor came up with, and I kind of followed it, is we're going to the 9% probability of being in the money put that we can get at least $20 on. Okay, well, here I can get between $21.50 and $22.50, and we're going to sell 2 of them because this is a 1-2-1 trade. So quantity of 2, let's see if we can get to the mid price and get filled at $22. Come on, baby, fill me. Fill me. Got to adjust it. That's fine. Never apologize for being greedy. Greed is exhibited in the animal kingdom. A while ago, I was out slopping the hogs and picking up goat eggs and milking the chickens. And when I was doing that, I was feeding everybody and they were just going nuts. I mean, chickens were flying, you know, goats were flying. The goats like to stick their horns in my pigs, and they do what I'm called pig bowling. And pigs were going everywhere. They're greedy. And everywhere now and then, you and I need to be a little bit greedy. So don't apologize for trying to get more money on your little trades here, or let it work, right? If you got time. So we put that in at 95. So that would be, we've got to have at least 47 days. 47 times 47 is what? 47 to 47 is, anyway. So I need more than 45 days to have, I want to close this after half of the time that I'm in the trade. So I want my put debit spread to be on for that entire time. Now I found a little hack that says if you will go to the 9% probability of being in the money, what's this? It's kind of cool how I came up with this. So let's say we go to the 41.50 and we buy that one. And then we want to go 300 points below that to the 38.50. That's a put debit spread. That's going for about 9.50. Rack that puppy up to 9.75 and we should be good. Ta-da! So now let's look at our little risk graph. See if it made it look any better or worse. Let's see how we go here. Where's it at? Positions. Here we go. Click on your P&L button and voila. There we are. Miss America. Y'all, we're going to make $3,121 on the money that we've sold in premium, whether this thing goes up. And if it goes down, we could potentially make $12,309. All right. So questions, comments. Let's go to the IRA. IRA. And that one is, which one? It's this one. Got so many accounts, don't know what to do, like an old Mother Hubbard in a shoe. All right, so here we go. The IRA, we are at, come on, baby, give me a good number, 87,663. 87,663. Did 87,663? Look at that, y'all. 87,663. Praise the Lord, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, hallelujah. All right, so now we are at 84 deltas and 58, 84, 58. Let's put that in. Everybody knows what that means now. 84. 58, we're still a little blue over here, no big deal. And VIX is at 13. All right, and our buying power, which is the collateral we had to put up for these trades, is 17,812. 17,812. Okay, so we're at 20%, could be 25%, could be 0.10%. We're at 0.07%, and our deltas are good. We need no adjustment. Let's go to the trade tab, see if anything is saying that we need to close it. And alas, we have all of these credit spreads that you and I have put on that says, hey, Bobby, close them. Well, let's look at one of them. Let's look at the 3640, 3540. 3640, 3540. Pull them into our groups here. 3640, 3540. Put credit spreads. Here we go. 3640, 3540. There it is with 32 days to go. Let's see what we could close that for. Create closing order. Yeah, I mean, come on. I guess I could let it run a little bit, but why would you? Take some risk off. Yes, so we got that filled at 30 cents. Let's put that in. Now, because I need Theta and I don't need to take away Theta, what I want to do is that's the only one I'm closing today. Yeah, it says close it, but I'm going to wait till tomorrow so we can have activity in the account. And look what we did. Look how much money we made. 717.23. Y'all, we made 92% on that, a profit of $225.22. Yes, indeed, we did. Now, since we're low in theta and low in buying power, what do? Well, we do the same thing we did in the other account. We go put a trade on. So we go MES, we go to 95. We knew that's where we went. And 9% probability of being in the money. I could just look at the other account, but we'll work it out here. So about this 40.25, I guess. Let's sell 2 of them. Let's move that up to 21.75 and swing batter. Yes. So 95. So we're going to go do us a 300 wide put debit spread. Easy to do. We're going to go to, wait a minute, yes, 45, 60. Oh yeah, it's got to be 60, I guess. So we'll go to the 60. We'll go to the 9% probability of being in the money. And it's fun. Kind of get the hang of it after a while, don't you? Go to 9% probability of being in the money, which would be, okay, so we'll say 4,200. So we'll buy the 4,200 and we'll sell the, what is it, 3,900? Yeah, hold your control key down. Get that one. Look at that, $10. How does daddy do it? Now I'm paying a little more on this and I don't care. I'm fine. It's, go up 10 1/4, no problem. I said go up. There we go. Ta-da! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you run a portfolio. You run it from 3 different numbers. The numbers are, what's your delta say, what's your theta say, and what's your buying power say. It said green, green, and blue. Green, green, blue means put a trade on. It's just that simple. Then you go to your trade tab. Trade tab's when it tells you when to close stuff. All right. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see y'all tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and see you tomorrow.